Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be sharing another one of my go-to salad dressing recipes. It's a Dijon maple salad dressing. It's simple to make and it tastes really good. Stay tuned for the recipe. You will need the following items. I'm going to be starting with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, maple syrup, 2 tablespoons, apple cider vinegar, 1, 2. I like to use garlic paste, so I'm just going to go with about a teaspoon garlic paste. About 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I like to add a little bit of brown sugar to mine, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go with about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And then for seasoning, I'm going with some black pepper and sea salt. Okay, take my whisk and stir. This is a vinaigrette. This is 1 serving. I would double the ingredients or triple the ingredients if I'm making more. Okay, let's taste it and see if I need to add anything else. That's perfect. And then I'm gonna pour this in a little small glass bowl and store it in my refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. I like to use this Dijon maple dressing pretty much on everything, but lately I've been eating it on a sweet potato salad that I've been making. Well, alright you guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoy simple recipes or making your own condiments, go ahead and check out my playlist right here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.